President Uhuru Kenyatta may have assented to the bill seeking to tame high interest rates, but the intended benefits will take some time before being realized. This according to the Kenya Bankers Association, which says the status quo will remain until the law is effected.
In the interim, the existing terms on loans and deposit accounts will continue to apply.
This means borrowers with existing loan facilities shouldn't expect lower interest rates as yet, neither should applicants of new credit. KBS Chief Executive says commercial banks will be complying with the Act, but that will have to wait until the law is gazetted and subsequent regulations published. As it is, a number of areas in the law remain unclear. A case in point, the rate that the central bank will use as the indicative lending rate to guide pricing of loans.
I think the assumption has been that that rate is the central bank rate. But we have got a number of possibilities. Central bank may opt to use the Kenya Bank's reference rate. It may opt to use the central bank rate. It may opt to determine another rate for purposes of applying the law. So that's still left to the guidelines that will be given by the central bank.
And following the president's decision on Wednesday, concerns continue to emerge as to whether commercial banks will creatively introduce new charges on credit facilities as a way of sustaining high earnings.
The straight answer to that is that no. Banks will not try to circumvent the law by trying to come up with, with some additional charges and that kind of stuff.
With the president having made his decision, eyes have now shifted to the Attorney General, who within the next 7 days is expected to gazette the new law. Meanwhile, government spokesman Eric Iraithe has reiterated President Uhuru Kenyatta's stance, saying the new law was assented to with all good intentions. Any shortcomings in the new act, Iraithe says, will be dealt with on the basis of legal provisions. Patrick Igunza, Citizen, Live at 9.